टीम टमाटम raises $11 million series by LED by PUBG maker Krafton. Jordan-based mobile game publisher Tamatum announced today it has raised $11 million in a Series B led by Krafton, a South Korean game developer behind PUBG, marking it its first investment in the Middle East and North Africa. MENA venture Soak endeavor catalyst and existing investors also participated in the round. The Series B round brings its total raised to over $17 million and values Tomato at around $80 million. Hussam Hammu, CEO and founder of Tomatum, told TechCrunch. Tomatum publishes games relevant to Arabic users and customizes its games to fit the culture. The user need to feel that the game was made for them, not just translated from one language to another. Tomatum makes the game culturally relevant to the end user, said Hammu. The demand for relatable and enjoyable mobile games is higher than ever, and our mission is to provide our region with the best gaming experience possible. Tomatum will use the latest funding to amplify its efforts by bringing various games with more popular titles to the Arabic-speaking market. The startup will hire local talent in Saudi Arabia to expand further. The gaming industry is booming in Saudi Arabia with about 70% of Tomatum's users, Hammo noted. Big things are happening for the mobile games industry in the region. We are reaping the rewards of our past successes and pushing forward with more experience and more grit. We are at the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the massive potential of mobile games in MENA, and I am always super elevated when more people invest in the industry and the region, Hammo said. The startup also plans to launch a gaming academy to train, educate and elevate employment in the industry in pursuit of pushing the market's growth and maturity. Indian storytelling platform Partilipi raises $48 million LED by gaming giant Krafton. It has published more than 50 games since 2013, including its 4 main games VIP Ballot, VIP Jalsat, Fashion Queen and Clash of Empire. Tomatum has over 120 million downloads across its portfolio and 3.5 million daily active users on its top games. The company has 75 employees and is planning on doubling in size in the next 6 months, Hammo noted. Tomatum plans to continue expanding globally and hiring all kinds of talent from all over the world. We have employees in the US, India, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Germany, Hungary, and Jordan. We opened an office in Saudi and Egypt last year and are planning to open more regional offices in different countries, Hammo said. We see huge potential in the MENA region and are happy to have started our investment journey here with a prolific publisher like Tomatum. We are committed to the MENA region and are willing to take more bets in the overall media and entertainment sector. This investment is aligned with our efforts to strengthen our commitment to the startup ecosystem. This is just the beginning of our many investments in the region, said Anuj Tandon, head of corporate development India and MENA at Crafton. As we continue our focus to provide the best experience of our MENA users of our various games, including PUBG, New State Tomatum's deep understanding of the local landscape, and this collaboration will be very helpful. PUBG mobile developer invests $20.4 million in India's Nodewin Gaming. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel.